Who wants cookies?
Y'all, my family is obsessed with these cookies. Whenever I make a batch, they barely last the day. They're sweet, chewy sugar cookies with juicy blueberries, and they are absolutely addictive. The lemon in these cookies really brings out the blueberry flavor. You're gonna use lemon zest and lemon juice, but don't worry, the flavor's not overpowering. If you like this recipe, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In a large bowl, combine flour with baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix that well, and then in a separate bowl, combine sugar, oil, vanilla, a flax egg, and that lemon juice and zest. Mix it together until the sugar dissolves completely, then add those wet ingredients to the dry. Mix well until you have a somewhat sticky dough. Then add your blueberries and mix again. At this point, your dough might get a little bit too sticky, and if that happens, just add another tablespoon or two of flour. Now chill the dough so the cookies won't spread too much when they're baking. Scoop the dough up into balls and place them on a cookie sheet with plenty of space in between them. Then you're ready to bake. Your blueberry cookies are ready when they start to turn golden around the edges. Just look at that texture. They are so delicious. I hope that this video answers all of your questions about how to make these vegan blueberry cookies. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!